Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. You're watching that I'm using spike detector in our mobile phone using the pair of boom 500 index. I'm opening some positions and by side you're watching that I have got an arrow for a spike here. So I am waiting for catching a good spike. This is a real spike detector that I am using in our mobile phone, guys. And listen me carefully that if you're new, so please subscribe my channel and open the bell icon button right now and go to description. You can join my WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp group. And guys, I will open any music in our this video to entertain you. Watch this full video, watch the most accuracy. You see the small spike we have caught here. This is the 7 minutes of spike detector video, but watch must. You will really enjoy. You will see and shock the accuracy of this system. very smooth and big spike we have catch in our boom 500 index. This is the accuracy, guys. This is called the accuracy of the spike detector that I'm using in our mobile phone live trading. So don't miss this opportunity to get this indicator. Really, you will change your life.